My name is Andrea Price, and I am the owner of Like No Other Greek. My business makes women feel beautiful and confident through sorority apparel. I tried to do Facebook ads on my own, and it was an absolute nightmare. A lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of stress. If you've ever tried to do it on your own, you will understand what I'm talking about. There's so many buttons, so many tabs. I've never been so crazy in my life. I heard about the ads incubator through my coach, and I was excited about participating because I wanted to learn how to truly advertise. And with the name that Video Power Network has for themselves, I knew that they would be the best for the job. The authenticity of the group and just knowing how genuine all of the people at Video Power Network are. Everybody seems to truly care. And so that means a lot to me as a business owner, because a lot of times you see people telling you they can do this, they can do that for your business, but they don't really care. They just want your dollars, and I don't feel like that at all. My biggest takeaway is the messaging matters, the copy matters, and so you have to continue to test until you have the perfect copy. I'm leaving this 3-day incubator knowing that I am moving tax brackets because I am about to be financially successful with these ads.